Assalamu alaikum. My dear students of class 8, welcome to my English second paper class brought to you by Kishore Batayon and also presented by Akhtar Jahan Shumi, Assistant Teacher, Ideal School and College, Motijhil, Dhaka. My dear students, I hope all of you are doing fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Dear students, today I will discuss with you about without clue. That means fill in the gaps with appropriate words without clues. So I hope, my dear students, you can answer these fill in the gaps properly. I hope. At first I have to check, can you hear me or not, and the screen is clear or not. Dear students, okay, let's start our topic. Are you ready? I hope all of my students are ready to do this fill in the gaps. Okay dear, our first slide is an honest man is true to dash words. সৎ মানুষ কি বলে? সত্য কথা বলে, তাই না? তার নিজে যে কথাটা বলে সেটার প্রতি সে কি থাকে? বদ্ধপরিকর থাকে যে সে সত্য বলবে। He does not be from the path of honesty. সে কখনোই সত্যের পথ থেকে কি হয় না? সরে আসে না। He knows that dash consists in honesty. সে কি জানে? যদি আমরা সত্যবাদী হই কি থাকবো? অবশ্যই আমরা সুখে থাকবো, তাই না? একজন সত্যবাদী লোক এই ফিলটুকু করে, সেজন্যই সে কি থাকে? সত্যবাদী। So he does not dash victim to any greed. যেহেতু সে সৎ, সে কোনো ধরনের লোভে পড়ে না। He has no dash for anything. তার কোনো কিছু নিয়েই কি থাকে না? কোনো কিছু নিয়ে তার নিশ্চয়ই লোভ থাকে না। So my dear students, hurry up. Who can answer me first? I am waiting for you. Who can answer me first? Yes, students. Okay, I have got the answer. My dear students, first one is his. The first one is his. An honest man is true to his words. Very good. An honest man is true to his words. The second one, he does not dash from the path of honesty. That means he does not deviate. Deviate অর্থ কি? বিচ্যুত হওয়া বা সরে যাওয়া, তাই না? সে সব সময় তার পথেই থাকে। Very good. Number C, he knows that happiness consists in honesty. Happiness consists in honesty. Very good. Happiness consists in honesty. Okay, my dear. Now we go to the next one. So he does not. Very good. Papia Sultana, Farzana Bristi, Bushra Rahman, Adhura Rahmatullah, Jui, Alaikum Assalam. Alaikum Assalam to all my students, and also Assalamu Alaikum to all my students. Video is stable. Dear students, next one, my next one, he has no ambition for anything. তার কি থাকে না, কোনো কিছুর প্রতি তার কোনো ambition নেই. Is the skin clear or not? Please inform me. Dear students, please inform me. Is the screen clear or not? Papia Sultana Aisha Muhammad. Is screen clear or not? Ma'am, assalamu alaikum. Raise your name from Bhola. Rafiq from Bhola. Okay. Me too. 11 student, but I am not here to looking for. Shadjad Bappi. Okay, dear students, please inform me, is the screen clear or not? I am waiting for your answer. You have to check all the answer. The first one is his, second one target, third one happiness, fourth one fall, and the fifth one ambition. Okay, clear? Clear. Thank you. Okay, thank you, my dear. Then we go to the next slide. The next slide is education. Education is one of the basic needs of human being. আমাদের সবার মৌলিক অধিকারের অন্যতম আরেকটা অধিকার কি? আমাদের মৌলিক অধিকারের আরেকটা হচ্ছে এডুকেশন. সেটা ওয়ান অফ দ্য বেসিক নিডস. আমাদের সবারই শিক্ষা একটা মৌলিক অধিকার. ইট ইজ এসেনশিয়াল ড্যাশ এনি কাইন্ড অফ ডেভেলপমেন্ট. এই যে শিক্ষা, সেটা সব ধরনের, যে কোনো ধরনের উন্নতির জন্যই শিক্ষাটা প্রয়োজন. A number of illiterate dash in Bangladesh do not have any knowledge of health, sanitation and population control. আমাদের দেশের অধিকাংশ অশিক্ষিত লোকের কি থাকে না, কি নেই? আমাদের অধিকাংশ লোকের কি নেই? দেখো, স্যানিটেশন, পয়ঃনিষ্কাশন নিয়ে, স্বাস্থ্য নিয়ে এবং কিভাবে জনসংখ্যা নিয়ন্ত্রণ করা যায় সে নিয়ে কোনো ধরনের শিক্ষা নেই. If they were dash, they could lead a healthy and planned life. তাহলে তাদের কি থাকতে হবে? কি থাকলে তারা একটা প্ল্যান এবং হেলদি লাইফ লিড করতে পারবে? সো ইউ হ্যাভ টু পুট দ্য অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট ওয়ার্ড হিয়ার. এডুকেশন টিচেস আস ড্যাশ টু আর্ন ওয়েল. এডুকেশন আমাদের কি শিক্ষা দেয়? কিভাবে ওয়েল উপায়ে, ভালো উপায়ে আমরা আর্ন করতে পারবো, অ্যান্ড হাউ টু স্পেন্ড ওয়েল, এবং কিভাবে আমরা খরচটা করতে পারবো. দ্যাট মিনস আয় ব্যয় দুটো কিভাবে সঠিকভাবে করা যায় সেটাও আমরা শিক্ষা থেকে নিতে পারি. ইট এনেবলস আস টু ড্যাশ দ্য রাইট চয়েস ইন লাইফ. আর কি করে? জীবনে সঠিক সিদ্ধান্ত নিতেও কিন্তু শিক্ষা আমাদের সাহায্য করে. অ্যান্ড টু পারফর্ম আওয়ার ডিউটিস প্রপারলি, এবং আমাদের যে কর্তব্যগুলো সেগুলো সঠিকভাবে করতে সাহায্য করে. ভেরি গুড, আ লট অফ আনসার ফ্রম ইউ. So I have to check the first one. Answer the first one for very good. Masuma Al Jannat, Gulshan Akhtar, very good. The second one people. This is also correct. You can write the another answer here. You can write also people and also write person. Very good, my dear. Number three, literate. Saira Arif, literate spelling L-I-T-E-R-A-T-E, literate. Chittagong urea fertilizer, Shomita Sharif. Okay, my dear. So number C, the answer will be educated or literate. Educated মানে শিক্ষিত, লিটারেট মানেও যার অক্ষর জ্ঞান আছে তাকে আমরা শিক্ষিত, লিটারেট অর এডুকেটেড বলি, তাই না? ওকে, রফিক ভাই স্ক্রিন ব্লার। নেক্সট ওয়ান, নাম্বার D, how. That means education teaches us how to earn well, কিভাবে ভালো পদ্ধতিতে আমরা earn করতে পারবো, and how to spend well. It enables us to dash. Number 5, very good. How? Very good. Firdausi Akhi, alaikum assalam, please send me the answer. Hey, Mahia Noor, how? Very good. Bushra, that means choose. Spelling, dear student, you can put it here, make or select. It enables us to choose the right choices, or to select is appropriate, or to make the right choices. If you want to write choose, CHOOSE. Okay, Ami Reza. Okay, Reza Alum Islam, choose, CHOOSE. Okay, thank you. Very good. So now we get on the next slide. Again, if you want to see all the answer, the first one for, second one people or person, third one educated or literate, fourth one how, and the fifth one may, select, or you have to write choose, CHOOSE. Very good. Mortuja Nazneen, Karima Islam, very good, dear students. Now we go to the next slide. Okay, are you ready for the next? Samia Nazneen is screen blur. The next one, Rangamati Mohammad Iman Ahmed, Rangamati Srijoni Trust School. Please inform me, is the screen, ma'am, blurry? Okay, I'll check the screen. Check the screen, I will. Alaikum assalam, Yasin Habib. Okay, number 3, patriotism is love for one's dash. Patriotism ta ki, desh prem ta ki, দেশ প্রেমটা কি, তাই না? দেশের প্রতি ভালোবাসাটাই হচ্ছে দেশপ্রেম। ইট ইজ স্ট্রং অ্যান্ড ড্যাশ সেলফলেস প্যাশন। এটা এক ধরনের কি, যেটাতে কোনো স্বার্থ থাকে না, এই ধরনের একটা আবেগ, তাই না? দেশপ্রেমটা একটা আবেগ। The first one, country, very good. Samia Nazneen, very good. It is strong and dash selfless passion. এটা খুবই শক্তিশালী এক ধরনের আবেগ, তাই না? সবাই আমরা দেশকে ভালোবাসি। A patriot can dash sacrifice his life for the dash of his country. একজন দেশপ্রেমিক কি করতে পারে? তার নিজের জীবনটাকেও স্যাক্রিফাইস করতে পারে, তাই না? তার নিজের জীবনটাকে উৎসর্গ করে দিতে পারে দেশের জন্য। First one, country. Number B, I am waiting for the answer. B, you have to write a selfless passion. It is strong and a selfless passion. Okay, you have to write here A, or you can write here good. Okay, or great. It is strong and a selfless passion. It is strong and great. It is strong and, yes, a selfless passion. Strong and great no, it is strong and a selfless passion. Okay, you can write here A. Number, a patriot can, number C can always sacrifice his life for the sake of his country. Very good. It is dash a virtue that gives strength and courage. It is such a virtue that gives strength and courage. It is great a virtue. No, if you write here great, after great you can't use a. So you have to write it is such a virtue. It is such a virtue. Dedicated. Okay, my dear students, for the welfare of number 3, a patriot can always sacrifice, can dedicated, no dear, dedicated is not appropriate. A patriot can always sacrifice. Okay, so we can check the novel. Number D, it is novel a virtue. Here I use a, so you can't use here great or novel. You can't use here. You can write only it is, always it is such. It is such. Walaikum assalam Lutfunnahar Mufti. It is such a virtue. এটা এমন এক ধরনের গুণ যেটা আমাদেরকে শক্তি যোগায় এবং সাহস যোগায়। Okay, my dear students. Now our first answer will be country. No, this will be A. This will be A because patriotism is love for one's country. It is strong and a selfless passion is more appropriate. It is strong, and if we use here a, then we can write here any other adjective. That means great. I use here great, but here a is omitted. Though if there is no a, you can write here it is strong and a selfless passion. So I have to correct it. The answer B. I have to correct the answer B, A. I have to correct it A. Okay, dear. Okay. I have corrected the answer. The first one. Okay, I again check the question. Patriotism is love for one's country. The second was it is strong and a selfless passion. A patriot can always sacrifice his life for the sake of his country, or for the welfare of his country, or for the betterment of his country. Every word is correct. It is such a virtue. Many of my dear students, you have sent me the answer. It is great a virtue. No. It is novel a virtue. No. The answer will be it is such a virtue that gives strength and courage. In fact, patriotism bears beauty of the mind. তাই না, আমাদের মনে সৌন্দর্যতাও নিয়ে আসে, তাই না? Okay, my dear students, now we go to the next slide. We go to the next slide. Number 4. Look at here. I am waiting for Shoptami go. I am waiting for your answer again. Number 4. Naturally, everybody wants to succeed in dash. কিসে সাকসিড হতে চাই আমরা কিভাবে কোথায় সাকসিড হতে চাই? সব মানুষই আমরা কি হতে চাই? লাইফে সাকসিড হতে চাই, তাই না? So I am waiting for your answer. Even welfare novel. Okay, waiting for the answer. Naturally, everybody wants to succeed in আমাদের জীবনে, তাই না? লাইফ. Someone becomes successful by dint of কিভাবে আমরা সাকসেসফুল হব? হ্যাঁ, কিভাবে আমরা সাকসেসফুল হব? ভেরি গুড. ফারজানা বৃষ্টি, অধরা রহমতুল্লাহ, মাহিয়ানুর, থ্যাংক ইউ মাই ডিয়ার. Number 1 is correct. Walaikum assalam from Chittagong. Okay, my dear. দেখতে পারছো না রিসা? Why not, my dear? Kamaluddin. Okay, the first one is correct. Life. The second answer, I am waiting for the second answer. someone becomes successful by dint of কি দিয়ে আমরা successful হতে পারি? By dint of happiness, by dint of number B. I am waiting for your answer. Honesty দিয়ে successful হওয়া যাবে? আর কি করতে হবে? পরীক্ষায় ভালো করতে হলে আমাদের কি করতে হয়? কষ্ট করতে হয় না? তাহলে জীবনে সফলতা পেতে হলেও কি করতে হবে? অবশ্যই কষ্ট করতে হবে। By dint of work, hard work. Very good. By dint of hard work. Very good. Bushra Rahman. By dint of hard work. Very good. This class is only for you, my dear students. So I am waiting for your answer. Because though I have conducted the class, but you are the main part of my class. Someone becomes successful by dint of working hard or by dint of hard work. Hard work মানে কঠোর পরিশ্রম. Working hard is not appropriate. Hard work. Okay. And perseverance. সাথে কি লাগবে আমাদের? অধ্যবসায়. Success can surely bring dash. Success কি নিয়ে আসে? অনেকে আনসার করে ফেলেছো. Very good. গুলশান আক্তার. Very good. Happiness. সফলতা কি নিয়ে আসে? সুখ নিয়ে আসে, তাই না? But failure makes a person feel so sad. Hey, you can write here so sad or very sad. All are correct. Hardship. All are correct. Very good. In fact, industry is the dash to success. Key to. Hey, Risa. Key. Very good. Lutfullah Mukti. By dint of industry. Parishram. Okay, you can write here. Industry. Number E. In fact, industry is the way to success. Okay. This will be also. But key to success is a proverb. তাই না? আমরা তো শিখেছি না? পরিশ্রম সফলতার চাবিকাঠি. So চাবি ইংরেজি কি? Okay. Thank you. Okay, my dear students. So I have to check the answer again. The first one, life. Second one, hard work. Third one, happiness. Fourth, very, or you have to write. So this also correct. And number E, question in a comment, but ma'am didn't say it for once. I answered all the questions. Sorry, my dear Papia Sultana. Okay, dear. I repeat your name every day, Papia. Okay, the fifth one is key. Thank you, my dear students. Murtuza Nazneen. Papia, you are the regular students. I always appreciate you. Okay, dear. So, next one. We go to the next slide. Be ready for it. The next one. Bangladesh is one of the most overdosed countries of the world. আমাদের দেশ কি? জনবহুল দেশ. That means, which will be the answer? জনবহুল English. Samia Nazdin Simmi. Lutfun Nahar Mufti. Murtul Kamaluddin. Okay. I am waiting for the first answer. জনবহুল. Sajjad Bappi, not population, populated. Sakir Ahmed, populated. Very good. Populated. Bushra Sultana Razia, populated. T-E-D. Populated. The correct answer, populated. Overpopulated countries of the world. Her dash area is smaller than most dash countries. আমাদের কি? আমাদের দেশটা ছোট. That means, which will be the answer? Populated. Very good. Populated. P-O-P-U-L-A. Masuma L-A-T-E-D. Simmi, populated spelling is correct. Sultana Razia, populated spelling. Lated. L-A-T-E-D. Lated. Abrar Fahad. Okay. All the correct answer. If her whole area is smaller. No. Her land. Very good. Abrar Fahad, Ridan. Her land area is smaller than most. Which no whole. Most other. Very good. most other. Risa, most other. Abrar, most other countries. Very good. But she has a dash. She has a. Gulshan Akhtar, very good. She has a number D. Papia, populated overall. Number B, her overall area is smaller. No, her land area. Papia, her land area is smaller. Number D, history. No. Then most other countries, but she has a population she lost. So here I can see for that. You can see here she lost dash in 3 people. The fifth one, number D, history. She has a history. And she lost dash in 3. She lost more than 3 people in the war of 1971. She has a history. Okay, this is the correct answer. She lost more than 3 lakh. Very good. She lost 3 lakh. She has a history. She has a history. Okay, I have corrected it. So my dear student, look at here. Bangladesh is one of the most overpopulated countries of the world. Her land area is smaller. আমাদের ভূমিটা ছোট than most other countries. অন্যান্য অনেক দেশ থেকে. But she has a history. কিন্তু আমাদের দেশের কি আছে? একটা ইতিহাস আছে. She lost more than 3 lakh or 3 millions. 3 lakh. 3 millions. 3 millions people in the war of 1971. 3 lakhs means 3 lakh. But actually we have lost 30 lakhs people. So 3 millions. 30 lakhs means 3 millions. Okay, 3 millions people in the war of 1971. Very good. A lot of correct answer in my hand. I am a SSC candidate, Sakib Ayon. Okay. Number C, use. Then most use. No, dear student. Then most other countries. Now check the correct answer. Papia Sultana. Okay. Now check the correct answer. The first one, overpopulated. The second one, land area. The third one, most other countries. The fourth one, she has a history. And the last one, 3 millions. That means 30 lakhs people. Okay. Mahita from IU Lab School, Soyod Maksudur Rahman. Okay, my dear students. Now we go to the last one. So I am waiting for the answer from you. You can send me the answer first. Okay, the last one. This is the last slide of today. So the last one, modern science dash an important role in our day-to-day life. Modern science টা আমাদের প্রতিদিনের জীবনে কি? An important role. আমাদের প্রতিদিন জীবনে কি করে? আধুনিক যে বিজ্ঞান সেটা আমাদের দৈনন্দিন জীবনে একটা রোল প্লে করে, তাই না? খুবই একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট পার্ট আমাদের জীবনের। সো দ্য প্লেজ ভেরি গুড। সাজ্জাদ বাপ্পি, বুশরা রহমান, তানবীর রহমান, ভেরি গুড প্লেজ। সামিয়া নাজনীন সিংমির প্লেজ, ভেরি গুড। দ্য ফার্স্ট ওয়ান, modern science plays an important role in our day-to-day life. We are dashed by science in many ways. We are number B, Kamaluddin. The first one will be plays. Science is an important role. No, you can't here use is, because here after that fill in the gap the line will be an important role. So role ta ki korte pare, play korte pare. So here you have to use plays. No, the first one is not is. Jodi is dao sentence ta milbe na, ortho ta correct hobe na. Modern science is an important role. আমরা রোলটা কি করি, একটা রোল প্লে করে থাকি, তাই না? তাহলে মডার্ন সায়েন্সটা আমাদের দৈনন্দিন জীবনে একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট রোল প্লে করে থাকে। সো দ্য কারেক্ট আনসার উইল বি প্লে, PLAYS, সপ্তমী গো plays, PLAYS, not ES. Just my dear students, please correct it, plays, PLAYS. Number B, benefited, this will be the correct answer. Benefited, there will be, you can here use more other words. Benefited, helped, very good, this will be correct. Number B, this will be correct. Okay, benefited correct, also both are correct. Number C, with the help of science men have been dashed to make their lives comfortable. আমরা বিজ্ঞানের সহায়তা নিয়ে কি করছি, আমাদের জীবনকে অনেক সহজ করে ফেলছি। তাহলে the answer will be able. Lutfuna Mukti, yes, this will be able is the right answer. Ragib Hossain, please dear student concentrate on class. Farzana Brishti, see able. Okay, this will be correct. There you can use more other words. তুমি দেখতে পাচ্ছ না রিসা? why dear? Number C, you can put here more other word. With the help of science men have been able to make their lives comfortable. Men have been trying to make their lives comfortable. Men have been working to make their lives comfortable. তাই না? আমরা অনেকগুলো ওয়ার্ডই এখানে ইউজ করতে পারি। ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, নাম্বার ডি, despite advantages modern science has, আর কি থাকে সুবিধার সাথে সাথে মডার্ন সায়েন্সের আর কি আছে? these advantages, Ashmatia Begum, okay, disadvantages, very good. Abdul Fahad, very good. Disadvantages, Bushra, very good. Demerits is also the correct answer. Shakir Ahmed, demerits is also the correct answer. Okay, you can write here disadvantages and also write here demerits. Demerits, disadvantages, both are the similar meaning. আমাদের সুবিধার পাশাপাশি কি আছে? মডার্ন সায়েন্সের একটা অসুবিধাও আছে, তাই না? ওকে, and the last one, but it depends on the dish use of it. A lot of answer proper. Okay, very good. You can use here you can use here more other words, but it depends on the proper user of it. হ্যাঁ, এটা সঠিক ব্যবহারের উপর you can write here more other words also. But it depends on the correct use of it, but it depends on the proper use of it, but it depends on the good use of it, it depends on the right use of it. You can write here more other words. Okay, so we have to check the answer of the last one, my dear students. Jannatul Firdaus Chaudhuri, a lot of students give me the answer, but I can't see all the, I can tell all the names. I can see it because the screen is going very fast. Okay, my dear students, but all the students are very dear to me. So my dear students, look at the first one. Plays. The number B, benefited, helped, placed, surrounded. Number C, able, trying, working. Number D, demerits, disadvantages. Number E, proper, good, right. You can write any other word from these. You can choose any other words from these alternatives. All are correct answer. Okay, my dear students. Appropriate numbering, proper use of, appropriate use of. Okay, you can write also this word, but you have to concentrate on the spelling. You know the answer, but sometimes you make a mistakes to write the spelling. So my dear students, you have to practice the spelling more and more, thus you can easily put the words in this, fill in the gaps. Okay dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the class, because this class is only for you. This class is taken by me, but all the my dear students are participating in this class and enjoying the class, isn't it? I hope all of you have enjoyed the class. Okay dear students, inshallah in next class I will again come to another new topics, and also I hope all of you will join this class and share, and this class you will share this class to your friends, thus they can join with us and they can participate with us. Okay dear students, this is up to today. Allah Hafiz, stay safe, stay fine, stay at home, and also you have to maintain health protocol which is given by our government. Allah Hafiz.